Okay, well, I hope you can hear my audio okay. Using my iPhone today just because I forgot my camera in the house. We're out in the barn. We are in the process of, or at least I'm in the process of cleaning this all up. This is just kind of the disaster with having kids and having winter for 6 months. We are actually going to be selling, or have sold, the truck with all the scrap metal. So we're loading up all the scrap metal that we had, the tires with the rims, okay? All the scrap that was here is now in the back of that trailer. The boat we're gonna scrap, and that wood splitter back there we're gonna scrap. So all that's gonna go, trailer's gonna go, truck's gonna get loaded up with more scrap. Gotta keep the tomato cages, of course, but we're actually doing just starting to clean out the garage for spring cleaning. The goal is that by this fall, we will have a tractor with a loader and a backhoe. So that's gonna be exciting. We need to get this thing organized because it is an absolute mess. Having multiple people come in here and move stuff around, I've got extension cords over here, I've got extension cords here, there's extension cords back over there. So we're gonna get this thing fixed up. We're gonna have some brackets and stuff. We're gonna utilize the loft for all the cardboard and all of the storage that we need for Christmas stuff. Back in that, what I call the secret room, is all of the stuff that I used to have in my house, my display cases, my collectibles, my hobby stuff. We're going to get all this organized. We're gonna get the grills out of here, get them all cleaned up, get them used. There's 3 or 4 different style grills back there. Trying to get all this cardboard and stuff burned up, but they keep putting us on burn bans. If you look out there right now, you'll see that the boiler door is open. We are shutting the boiler down soon, so we're just leaving the door open to get a hot fire going in there to burn the rest of those coals down to ash. I'm not going to be putting any more wood in there. It's the first weekend of May, so I'm done with it. We're going to kick over the water heater and stuff. Once this temp goes down, we can shut the pump off to the boiler and get it seasoned and stuff for the summer, which means cleaning it out, burning off the creosote, all that good stuff. Get it oiled up to keep it nice and secure. And we're gonna put a cap over the chimney there once everything's cooled down, just because I do not want to have to deal with any birds or wasps getting in there. So that's kind of what I'm working on today. We're just trying to get everything cleaned up. I need to get all the gas out of the machines here, like the snow blower. Unfortunately, my gas cans are full because I expected a more harsh winter, and it did not come. So we did not have to use the gas for the generator or anything, which is good, I guess. So just kind of doing the tidy up thing. This is something I would recommend you doing every year. Get all your stuff back in place, get it all organized. Gotta get all the tune-ups done on the kids' toys. Gotta do a tune-up on the tractor because it's done with its break-in period. And just kind of getting everything ready for the summer season. All right, that's kind of what I'm working on today. It is a nice day out. Unfortunately, I can't do what I wanted to do, which was get out and start burning some of that brush and getting the brush work done. I'd like to go look for some mushrooms and some morel mushrooms and everything, but I got more important, pressing matters to tend to. All right, on to the next.